Hey everyone and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linda with LGQUEEN Home Decor. For quite some time now, I've had many requests to feature a small closet makeover with organization video. In today's episode, I'm happy to reveal to y'all what I've been able to do with the small closet that I have in my home. This is our small entryway closet, and I honestly enjoy working with small spaces because when I create a functional system, it makes the space feel more grand after the project is complete. I'm sure just about everyone who's tuning in today has a small closet somewhere and could use some ideas on how to make it more functional, aesthetically pleasing, and organized. So grab your favorite snack and drink and join me as I transform this space. As part of being here, I'll be awarding 2 winners $100 each via PayPal to get started on your very own project. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed, like this video, comment below, and share it with a friend who could use some inspiration. The 2 winners will be announced 1 week from today in the description box. Thank you to Lifein for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get started. As we have been giving the closet here a deep clean, a fresh coat of paint, and installed shelving, you can see I'm using a unique piece of tech here to also clean the baseboards. Not only do I use this to clean other areas of the home, but most importantly, I use it for self-care. That may sound very strange, but I'd like to take just a moment here to share with y'all an amazing tool that can help you in your everyday lives just as it has for me. Today's video sponsor is Lifein. If you didn't know, they specialize in advanced and efficient personal care appliances and accessories that can be found in over 7 million households worldwide. Now, this is the Lifein Wave electric toothbrush, and I have to share with you how amazing its features truly are. Have you ever seen a toothbrush move like this? I'll explain in one moment. As you begin to open up the box with the tabs here, it brings back the feeling of when I open up my new Apple device once every couple of years. The unboxing experience with this is just as satisfying as the product experience, and it's not even an Apple product. Under here you get a pack of brush heads and a USB Type-C magnetic charger. With the pack of brush heads, you are given actually 3 different varieties. The blue one to the very left is a super clean brush head for an all-around clean. The one here in the middle is for gum care, so anyone out there with sensitive gums or gingivitis, this would be the option to use. The purple one here to the right is the ultra white to maximize whitening. Whenever I had to replace my older brush heads on my older toothbrush, I found it somewhat painful in the price. You can actually get a 3-pack to replace any of these after a long time of use for only $9.99. I can tell with the innovation and ideas that were used to make the design of this brush were so well thought out and executed. You can notice there are no gaps throughout the design, which is a key feature in the IPX7 waterproof rating. So if you want to use this in the shower or wash it under the sink, water entry will not be a problem. Taking a look real close here, this is the main button to operate it. You can see there are no cracks or gaps where water can enter or where dirt can collect. For the Type-C magnetic charger, you can see this is braided, so it's very durable. The connection at the bottom just attaches like this as it's a magnet. It's nothing super bulky and it's very sturdy. With the no-gap design of the brush, you won't have mold and dirt built up either here at the bottom. This spot right here was the main location on my old brush where I most had this type of issue. This charger can charge the device up in as quick as 3 hours. Is what I found even more impressive was how long it stayed charged for. Depending on how often and long you use it, it can last up to 30 days on a single charge. The most unique feature with this brush is its ability to provide a 60-degree oscillation and vibration where the brush head moves side by side up and down. Looking closely, you can see this is mimicking a typical brush stroke. This range of the 60-degree oscillation is 3 times wider than competing brands, and this is actually using the Bass brush method. This method of brushing is the way that most dentists actually recommend you to brush your teeth. So essentially, this helps you brush the correct way and more efficiently. When pressing the power button located here, you will notice that it has 3 different presets level for brushing. You just press twice for each level and the mode switches. But what's even more amazing is you can take this brush to a whole another level. In the app on your smartphone, you can actually update the firmware and calibrate your brush to your own preferred settings. This means it's truly customizable. With the first bar here, you can calibrate the vibration strength to be less by moving to the left or to the right all the way to level 10 here for more. I can also take the second bar here to adjust the oscillation range, and that is the side-by-side movement you saw as to how far you want that range to go up and down. Then we have here the adjustment for the speed of oscillation. This is how fast you would like that movement to be. Another great great feature I really appreciate that Lifein built into this toothbrush is the ability to turn on flight mode or airplane mode. You can click the button here to turn on that mode. I'm not sure if you've ever experienced this before, but when I used to travel with my older brush, there would be times when it would turn on in my luggage bag due to it being pressed down. My battery would then be drained when I went to use it later on in the day. With the airplane mode feature, this makes it great to travel. I don't have to worry about the battery getting drained. The size and power cord makes it all better as well when packing for travel. This toothbrush is strong and capable enough to use, of course, for self-hygiene, but for also household uses. As affordable as the brush heads are, this is why I picked up a few more to scrub certain areas for cleaning around the home. Many of you out there may not have thought what other uses you could use an electric toothbrush for, but this one comes in handy for many tough areas. If you have any jewelry, this is great to use to remove any debris that's stuck in it. I also find it helpful for tougher areas like cleaning grout lines due to a spill. I can just change the head back to my one that I use for brushing back and forth at any time. The wave has been so wonderful, I can brush my teeth more efficiently and effortlessly. I have been using this brush for some time now, and I like the way I don't have to move my arm and wrist so much because the oscillation feature does all the work. I like for my teeth to feel like they were very cleaned, and that is the experience this brush gives me every time I use it. The Lifein Wave has truly been a game changer for me and my family. I know it can be hard to believe a product with this many features could be priced so reasonably, but I'm here to tell you they are the real deal. If you would like to experience the same as I have with this amazing toothbrush, or maybe you have a friend in mind who could benefit from everything I've shown today that the Wave offers, you can choose from any of the 3 options. I know you'll appreciate the technology and innovative features as much as I have. To make this even more exciting for everyone, the Lifein Wave toothbrush is having an early Prime Day deal now. All of my viewers can grab them at 15% off. This is on top of the amazing prices they're already offered at. To learn even more about the Lifein Wave, I'll leave everyone a link in my description box for easy access. Thank you to Lifein for bringing everyone such an amazing product and for being today's sponsor. Now let's get back to working on this makeover. I want to thank everyone who stopped by today and joined me until the end. I hope in today's video you were able to see that no matter how small or large of a closet you have, with a little bit of detail and organization, you can transform any space and make it functional. I never thought I would add furniture pieces inside a closet, but as you saw, they help bring flair and aesthetic to the space without having to build or construct something that may be difficult for you. Adding a basic shelf also, as you saw on top, can be done with just a few measurements and wood. If you enjoyed today's video, please let me know what you enjoyed about it, and don't forget to share it with someone who could use some inspiration. To get the Lifein Wave electric toothbrush that I featured at an amazing price as a gift to yourself or someone else, don't forget to learn more about them by using the link below in my description box. Thank you all for your support on each video over all the years and for tuning in today. I hope you're having an amazing rest of your day. I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care.